Alright, that was something. So many flavors, so many ideas, and honestly, each one brought something different to the table. Pistaisa gave us her pistachio clepon, soft, delicate, and with that pistachio filling that really stood out. Hazelyra brought her baked hazelnut turon. Warm, crisp, and with that hazelnut flavor coming through beautifully. Peanut kept it bold with his somtam. Fresh, vibrant, and with that peanut crunch tying everything together. And Nokodo surprised us with their raisin goikon, light, refreshing, with just that hint of natural sweetness from the raisins. But as you know, there can only be one winner. And the winner of this edition of Snack Off is Hazelyra! Your hazelnut turon really won us over. Simple, comforting, and full of flavor. Well done.